So here's a list of the tools that we actually have for building data pipelines in Tableau. And this is really the meat of what we're going to be discussing today. So first we have live connections. In a very basic form, Tableau is actually able to generate SQL statements against your database backend and actually retrieve the results of those statements and then visualize that data back to Tableau. Tableau also has an inbuilt analytics database called a hyperdatabase. Now this is an extremely performant in-memory analytics database. So that if you don't actually have a kind of a production grade database or data warehouse, you can actually allow Tableau to do some of the storage and querying for you. We're going to be talking a little bit about extract refreshes. So this is where Tableau is actually pulling information from one of your data sources and storing a temporary copy of that inside Tableau called an extract. And we have a tool called Tableau Bridge. So Tableau Bridge is an on-premise product that you can use to allow Tableau's SaaS online offering to connect to your data sources within a private network. We have a tool called Tab Command, which is used to automate certain functionalities using Tableau. We have something called the Hyper API. Now the Hyper API is a way of actually us building these hyper databases outside of Tableau. So if you have a very bespoke use case, then you can use the Hyper API to fulfill that requirement. Tableau also has a REST API. The REST API can be used to automate certain admin functions in Tableau, as well as actually uploading content and new data to Tableau server. We have the Tableau Prep Conductor, which is a way of scheduling what we call Tableau Prep Flows, which is a lightweight ETL tool that's made available as part of Tableau's offering. And finally, we have Tableau Desktop and Tableau Prep Builder, which are end user tools to build dashboards and to build flows. But they also have quite a useful command line interface built into both of these tools that in certain circumstances you can use to actually pipe data into Tableau. Now, as you can see, there's a lot of options here, and one of the challenges that you might have is understanding which option to use in which use case. So I'm going to take you through an example of how you could deploy these various options within your infrastructure and why that might be useful under certain scenarios.